Rising geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine have led to the crashing of stock markets and a significant rise in oil prices. This has impacted energy companies globally, and the oil and gas major BP has been hit really hard, mainly due to its stakes in the Russian oil company Rosneft. Let's have a look at BP's Rosneft interests. The London-headquartered oil and gas supermajor BP was bound to be impacted by the Russia-Ukraine conflict, as it is significantly exposed to the third-largest Russian petroleum company, Rosneft. Around 20% of the Russian firm, having a secondary listing on the London Stock Exchange, is owned by BP. Rosneft has contributed approximately $555 million to BP's quarter fourth and $2.42 billion to BP's entire 2021 profits. The company paid dividends worth around $464 million to BP in the fourth quarter of 2021. And around half of its first half net profit were paid to its shareholders at about 18.03 rubles per share. Rosneft and BP have strategically been cooperating for nearly 20 years, and since 2018, Rosneft has supplied oil and petroleum products worth 30 million tons to BP. Focusing on carbon management together, both companies have plans to jointly develop infrastructure in Russia for the refueling of vehicles with natural gas and reducing their carbon emissions. In addition to the 19.75% stake BP has in Rosneft, both the energy firms are collaborating in joint ventures in eastern Siberia's 100,000 barrel per day operation and one of western Siberia's key gas exploration and development projects, with 20% and 49% stakes respectively. Moving on to BP's share price performance, well, the UK-based oil and gas giant has been listed on the main market of the LSE since March of 1954. The market cap of the FTSE 100 constituent stands at £75 billion as of the 22nd of February. BP has delivered strong results even during the pandemic, and it's provided shareholders with a return of 38.06% over the last 1 year. Whereas on the other hand, let's now take a look at Rosneft's share price performance. The leading Russia-based oil refiner and crude oil exploiter, Rosneft, has been listed on the main market of the LSE since July of 2006. The company's market cap stands at £42 billion as of the 22nd of February. However, its value has depreciated lately, and it's given a return of negative 20.76% in the last 1 year. Well, that's a wrap for now, but press the bell icon to stay up to date. I'm Holly Shields for Kalkine Media.